Fireworks shooting over people's heads and into a liquor store on Nostrand Avenue.
We got the what is it? These guys with the planes, and they're skywriting. I can't really see it. It says because there's clouds right there in the way, so I can't even see it. But great rates. Holy shit! This has nothing to do with 4th of July. It's some banks trying to sell me something. Goddamn banks. I don't even know if you can see that because of the dynamic range of the camera, and the sun is like right there. Freaking banks. When you're talking about great rates, what are you talking about? You talking about the Federal Reserve printing money at 0% interest and putting the country into deeper and deeper debt that's insurmountable, $30 trillion of debt by the time Trump's out of office? Is that what you're talking about? I don't feel very independent. This is Independence Day, but I really don't feel that independent. It feels like debt is slavery. Where are the libertarians at? Where's all those people who are talking all that shit when Obama was in office and he had to bail out Bush's disastrous economy at the very beginning of 2009? Where are all them? They're not talking all that shit now, are they? Everybody's quiet, just sitting home waiting for their welfare checks. Doesn't seem very independent to me.
Oh no, you didn't wreck the Lincoln! Not the Lincoln! Oh my God! What's going on here? Oh my God! Oh! God damn! They done wrecked up the Mercedes-Benz. God damn it! These people gotta be more careful out here. What the hell's wrong with you people? You gotta drive safely, everybody. What the hell's wrong with these people? If y'all just stayed home, that would have never happened. Y'all had to be out here on my roads. Oh, I got a Lexus with a fart cam muffler. Yeah. What's wrong with these people? So I see the Tesla Model Ys are being delivered. It took me a little while to figure out that that was actually a Model Y rather than a Model X, because I had to look at the door handles. And now that you can see inside, oh, that guy got caught. Dodge Charger got that. Oh shit, another Dodge Charger. Goddamn. And he's got the radar gun pointed outside the window. So anyway, oh shit, another Dodge Charger. My God, they got all these goddamn Dodge Chargers. These things are scary. I remember I used to be able to drive this road at 160 miles an hour. And now every single other intersection is a damn Dodge Charger. But anyway, this Model Y right here, once I pulled up to his window, I could see that he had the computer screen in the middle rather than like right in front of his face. So that's how you know it's the Model Y, not the Model X. I've heard the initial reliability on these is bad, but over time they'll repair everything and they'll do their recalls just like they did with the Model 3. The Model Y looks just a little bit, how should I say, it looks a little bit more, not really boxy, but it looks a little more narrow, I guess, than the Model X. The Model X definitely being taller. Oh yeah, Model 3 right there. Got a 3 and a Y. Cool. Yep. You guys made me a lot of money by buying them Teslas. Thank you so much. And hopefully when Ford starts putting out better cars, they're gonna make me a lot of money on my stock too. And hopefully GM will get this shit together and they'll make me some money too. That's what it's all about. Buy the stock, don't buy the car. Because most of these cars are boring. It's like, yeah, some of them are fast, but most of them are just electronic soulless Econo boxes. Got a black guy driving that, so I don't know how you guys were able to trick him out of buying a Dodge Charger or a Dodge Durango. But it's really nice to see Model Y is making me wealthy. Very good. So So you're probably asking, where am I going? I'm going right here to Sky King Fireworks. Yay. Sky King. So let's get some fireworks. Man, this
Turn left at Market Street, then turn right.
To New Jersey, to the point where all you had to really do was
Turn right, then your destination will be on the right.
and you're boom right there. Very
Welcome to Pennsylvania.
Thank you. Well, this guy's got his shit ready. He's got his whole party pack.
Head north.
I'll park next to this RT right here. That's a nice RT. 392 Hemi. Okay. And we're just gonna run up in there and get us, oh, military trucks. Run up in there and get ourselves some fireworks. Oh man. Go to Dunkin' Donuts, get me a matcha tea latte, iced coffee. What else they got here? 7-Eleven. Interesting. It's social distancing bullshit. We're still doing it. I understand that the death rates and the fatalities and the people catching it are skyrocketing, but I was hoping I'd just be able to walk in and walk out. Well, we got shopping carts filled with fireworks. Wonderful. It's like making your car a temporary bomb, isn't it? Transporting fireworks across state lines. Oh my God, look at these lines. This sucks. Shopping for fireworks amidst a pandemic. It's like, that's the reason why we can't stop the spread. It's like people don't give a fuck. They still out shopping. Oh my God, look at these lines.
Your destination is on the right.
Yeah, thanks. Look at these lines.
I'm sorry, you're good. I got in yesterday. All they're going to do is they're going to take your ID, they're going to scan it, right? They take it, they put it in the little thing, and then you sign a little waiver. You're going to get a piece of paper, and then you're going to take it with you.
Man, I hate lines. Oh, we're almost in. You know, New Jersey and New York, I think they used to have like stricter laws against fireworks, but I think most of those have been relaxed. I'm not going to be able to sleep for a couple of weeks. These people have been using these fireworks since like, I think they were using them for graduations and stuff from school. Oh man. I just planned on getting some like sparklers and a couple of Whistler rockets just to shoot off with the kids, but Jesus Christ. And by kids, I mean my younger cousins, you know. But I mean, Jesus Christ. I mean, people buying mortars and shit. This is the deal. What they've done is they've raised the price of just about everything. And they tell you that if you buy one, you get another one for like $1 or something. But what they did was they inflated the price of every single individual thing. Like this one right here is $149 a pack. And then they got a lot of these other things, like even the regular fireworks are like marked up so that this way you end up having to buy two, but they run out of stock much faster by doing that. So everything is marked up, but if you buy one, you get another one for $1 or something like that. So I'd say probably right here I have close to about $100 worth of stuff already. And as you walk down the aisles, as you can see, most of the shelves are empty.
So as you walk down the aisles, it's like there's more stuff to pick up, but for the most part, every single thing is marked up considerably. But I'm just getting little stuff that kids can use. Like I'm not getting any like really powerful things, or you know, I just want like sparklers that, you know, the kids can hold and they can play with them, and a couple of bottle rockets and stuff like that. I'm not getting anything crazy.
That guy. Oh shit, I'm stuck behind this stupid Volkswagen. Oh man. Man, if that guy gets caught, man, they gonna light his ass up with them tickets, boy. That guy's way, look at it, he's like way over there. That guy is easily doing 155, easily. Cause I was doing like 80 when he was passing me. There's no way, like, in this side of traffic, I can't catch up to him. But I can try. Yeah, that guy's gone. I'm never seeing him again. So here I am behind G Touch, Mr. Hellcat in black right here. And as you can see, this is my videometer app, which allows me to, I've had this app for a while. I think it was free, but like I think you had to pay $1 to activate it or something. And it allows you to, it's like Grand Theft Auto, where you can have like an overlay and it shows like your speed and it shows where you are. It likes to go into power save mode a lot. I guess that's because they assume that you're going to mount the thing. Oh, these Ocano boxes are slowing me down. I want to catch back up to G Touch. What the fuck is wrong with you guys? Get away from me. It's just me and G Touch out here. Damn traffic. Shouldn't be this much traffic. People are supposed to be at home. It's like I miss the good old days of coronavirus quarantine, where there was like nobody on these roads. This is bullshit. This looks like a regular day. Just me and G Touch right here, tearing up the roads. only thing about this app is it doesn't support 4K finalizing, so you have to finalize in 1080p. Which is not really a big deal. Most people have 1080p anyway. Usually there's cops that wait around here for people to be speeding, but I don't really see any of them out here right now. Usually they're out in the morning. Morning and evening. Usually they try to get out here during rush hour. Or they'll be up on the edges of the bridge. Boulevard and 134th. So I just came here because somebody told me, they were like, oh, the Indian restaurant you went to is not that great. You got to come here and get your mango lassi. So I was like, oh, okay, fine. All right. You know what? I appreciate the recommendation. So let me get some mango lassi. Where is it? They said it's $3.25 each. So that means I'm paying 25 cents more than if I went to Taj Mahal. It's still early, so they haven't put out all the food yet because it's like really early, and it's also 4th of July, so I guess they're not anticipating having the, as many people coming as normal since everybody's going to be barbecuing today. What they got here? They got juice drinks, and they got the little cans like you see in Asia. They got the little bottles, little cans. Badam. I got a drink called Badam almond bits. Well, that is very interesting, right? Pretty good. Is it ready? Oh. Oh, okay. Need molasses. It's like coffee for me, man. They said they use fresh mangoes. Whoa, they got a plate of something there. I don't even know what that is. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Okay. What's this cold? Thank you. Oh, you got straws? Miss, you have straws? Straws. Oh, okay. I don't need the carrier. Okay, that was easy. Get in and out before they try to screw from a damn car. Whoa, Jesus Christ, these steps will kill somebody. I swear to God, if I slip and fall, I'm gonna own half of India when I'm done. Get my lawyer on it. They're getting the Satguru Sweets and Catering for all of your Indian food needs. Problem is, this is what sucks about Queens when you come here. You feel like you can barely park without having to worry. Parking, that sucks. What are they doing? Like, yeah, I bought an old GMC truck. Could you please help me fix my grill? What's going on over here? No, you can stay there. pretty good. This mango lassi is pretty good. It's nice and tastes pretty good. It's fresh. It's cool, you know. Every single Indian restaurant should sell this. Where high population density and undesirable housing meet. And the sad thing is, all of these horrible little houses, every single last one of these houses, could you imagine? Can you imagine the average cost of one of these houses? Would you believe that to get almost no yard space, almost no space between you and the next guy, and a very small backyard, would you believe that each one of these houses cost more than $450,000? You know, when I have friends visit me from down south, it's like I'm almost embarrassed, despite the fact that I own a $300,000 house that they're visiting. I'm embarrassed because their house where they live, they have gigantic yards and huge pools, and here in New York, you get nothing, and your house is worth $500,000 to purchase, but you get like nothing. You don't get much. And I know somebody will say, oh yeah, we'll just move out of New York. It's like, yeah, well, when your wealth is built here in New York, it's not that easy. Wow, see, this is what happens if you park in a place where you're likely to get sideswiped. You get destroyed. Look at these little ass houses. And then the blocks are so tight. Like these streets are only wide enough for one car to pass through. So basically, not only do you have a shitty, small, ugly house, but on top of that, you have like no space to park. The area is completely crowded. As you can see, there's cars everywhere. It's completely crowded. You have very little, if not any, space to park. And then on top of that, your car is at risk of being sideswiped. And they want $500,000 for most of these little ass, ugly ass, little small ass houses. Look at this. This is like sideswipe central. Like right now, if I didn't have these front side sensors, look at this. If I didn't have these sensors, I'd probably sideswipe the shit out of this car. And the guy's looking at me. He's like, yeah, you better not sideswipe me. And I'm looking at him like, why the fuck are you in the middle of the road? Thank God for Jeep SRT front sensors. Thank God for that. It's disgusting. I swear to God. It's just, you get nothing. And then they take the houses and they turn them into churches because they're so small.